Hi, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi Redmi PADs and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just we should hold the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more and more applications. If you want to rename this folder, you should just click on the name, tap here and enter the new one, for example the apps. Then click here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully changed the name of our folder. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, you just should hold it and drag it. By the same way, we can just move folders between the screens, and also we can create the new screens for the folder. That's also not a problem, as you can see. Just if you want to remove the application from the folder, you just should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, you should hold it and drag it here. This is to install now, just if you want to install it. And just to remove all of the application from the folder, you just should hold it and then just drag it by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.